Bunions are generally hereditary, and it isn't possible to reverse them other than by surgery. However, there are lots of things you can do to prevent them getting worse. You can massage your feet regularly and exercise them by directing each big toe towards the other foot. You can try bunion pads or bunion splints to help keep your big toes in the correct position. After walking or standing for long periods, you can soak your feet in a foot bath or even ice them. However, the main thing I would recommend is to wear the right shoes. One with a wide toe box, space for your bunions, and good arch support. With Sole Bliss, there's an invisible stretch panel inside every pair of shoes to accommodate and comfort your bunions. Please check out our full collection of heels, flats, sandals, boots and trainers, all for bunions, at solebliss.com.